Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Physics Path. My name is Abhishek and on this channel we learn physics in the simplest, most logical and most conceptual way. So my goal is just to help you not memorize formulas but to help you understand why physics work the way it does. So our today's topic is sound. So sound is something we experience every day single life. We hear music, right? We experience every single day. So sound is something we experience every single day. We hear music, people talking, vehicles on the road, words shipping in the morning. What have you ever stopped and asked yourself a simple question? What exactly is sound? How does sound travel from one place to another? And why we can hear some sounds louder than others? The question is very simple. It is not difficult. So in today's class, we will understand what sound actually, how sound is produced, how sound is produced. The next question is how sound travels, how sound travels through different mediums. The next question is uh, why this topic is important. Why why sound is important in our daily life. In our daily life, right? Now come on the topic. Sound is very important chapter in physics because it connects science in everyday life. How? Because many technologies around us work because of sound principles such as microphones, speakers, and medical ultrasound, sonar used in ship and communication systems. So these are some principles. So the first we will start the basic structure of the chapter, that what is sound. Simply, if someone asks you what is sound, how you will explain in a very simple form. See, sound is actually a form of energy and travels in the form of waves, right? So sound is a form of energy producing by vibrating objects that travels through a medium as waves and can be heard by our ears. So generally the three important ideas in this definition. The three important ideas means first is vibrations, second is medium, and third is waves. These are the three important ideas in the definition of sound. Now first we will understand what is vibration. सबसे पहले हम समझेंगे कि वाइब्रेशन क्या होता है. Simply, vibration is a type of motion, or vibration is the to and fro or back and forth motion of an object. It's around its mean position. Just for an example, when you pluck a guitar string, it moves back and forth. That motion is called vibration. Guitar string. Because of these vibration, the surrounding air particles starts vibrating, and this vibration travels through air. That traveling vibration is what we called sound. I hope you will understand my words, what I'm trying to speak. Simply, sound is just a to and fro and back and forth motion. Example, guitar string. uh, Another example of, imagine a school bell. When the bell is stuck, the metal of the bell vibrates. These vibration disturbs the air around it. The particle pass this vibration to nearby particles. Finally, these vibrations reach our ears, and our brain intercepts them as sound. So without vibration, sound cannot be produced. Note, without vibration, sound cannot be produced. Note this point. बिना वाइब्रेशन के साउंड कभी भी प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो सकता. अब यहाँ पर एक और क्वेश्चन ये है, देयर इज वन मोर क्वेश्चन इन दैट, कैन साउंड ट्रेवल विदाउट अ मीडियम? कैन साउंड ट्रेवल without a medium? The answer is no. Sound cannot travel without medium. Sound always needs a medium. So students, our next question is sound as a wave. The next question is sound as a wave. In physics, sound travels in the form of waves. Sound travel in the form of waves. Okay. So these waves transfer energy from one particle to another. The energy will transfer from one particle to another. But the particles themselves do not travel long distance. They only vibrate around their position. This type of wave is called a mechanical wave. So generally there are two types of wave. One is mechanical wave and another is electromagnetic wave. So what is the difference between these two waves? This mechanical waves required a medium for travel, and electromagnetic waves do not require a medium for travel. Like mechanical waves, they need medium like solid, liquid, gas. In this electromagnetic waves, they can travel anywhere without a medium. They can travel in vacuum also. So sound is the part of mechanical wave and light is the part of electromagnetic waves. Remember. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you everyone.